Annyeonghaseyo. It's an honor to welcome you to the second Waves of Change workshop. Your presence here reflects a shared commitment to the ocean and to the millions of people and communities across Asia and the Pacific whose life and livelihoods depend on it. Thank you for taking the time from your busy schedules to join us for the next 4 days. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to the Republic of Korea's Ministry of Oceans and Fisheries for its leadership and generosity in bringing us together here in Busan, a city with a deep and dynamic relationship with the sea and the shore. You represent 18 ADB members, each with a profound and enduring connection to the ocean. Coastal and marine resources sustain our food systems, our economies, and our way of life. Today, they are under unprecedented pressure. We need to act now, individually and together, to save our ocean and coastal ecosystem that is vital for our economy and livelihoods. If not, about 90% of region's coral reefs could be lost by mid-century, and fish stocks could disappear with them, with pollution, overexploitation, and climate change. Behind these figures are people, fishers, coastal families, small businesses, and the future generations whose security, culture, and identity depends on a healthy ocean. This is why the choices we make now matter so deeply. Sustainable blue economies begin with the protecting of natural capital on which millions depend while balancing economic opportunity with ecological stewardship. It also means inclusivity, ensuring that benefits are shared fairly and that coastal communities, especially women, have a real voice on how marine resources are managed and how their benefits are distributed. This agenda is the core of ADB business. In 2019, ADB launched its action plan for healthy oceans and sustainable blue economies with a clear objective: to scale financing and technical assistance to protect and restore our oceans. This commitment was achieved as ADB quadrupled its investments related to ocean during the past 5 years, with about average total investment of $1 billion US annually. This was also reinforced in 2021 when ADB issued the world's first dual tranche blue bond, and we continue to seek new opportunities to advance sustainable ocean solutions. Technology is a critical enabler in this transition. Digital monitoring, remote sensing, AI-enabled fisheries management, and cleaner marine energy and transport systems can strengthen governance, improve traceability, lower costs, and enable more science-based decision-making across sectors. And this brings me back to where we are today, Busan. This city is a living example of what is possible when the region is matched with sustained investment and innovation. Through the leadership of the Ministry of Oceans and Fisheries, the Republic of Korea has positioned itself at the forefront of smart ocean technologies, maritime research, and global ocean governance. As a host of last year's successful Our Oceans Conference and the upcoming UN Oceans Conference in 2028, Korea continues to set standards from which others can learn. And I understand you will have the opportunity to see these efforts firsthand this week. I hope this experience will spark ideas and possibilities relevant for your own countries and contexts. Our oceans don't recognize borders. We share the same seas, the same risks, and the same opportunities. That is why regional cooperation is not an option, but essential for a healthy ocean and to promote blue economy. ADB is committed to deepening regional cooperation and partnerships with organizations such as OPOC, ASEAN, and our fellow development banks for initiatives like Finance in Common Summit Ocean Coalition and Clean Ocean Initiative 2.0. How we respond to today's ocean challenges will shape food security, livelihoods, and resilience across our regions for decades to come. A sustainable future is possible if we act together. Your conversation, the partnerships you build, and the ideas you develop here matter to our members, to ADB, and to the ocean that connects us all. I very much look forward to the outcomes of your work and wish you a productive, inspiring, and truly transformative 4 days. 감사합니다.